Hey everyone, welcome back to day 13 of my RevenueCat Shipaton journey. So, for the past 2 days, I've been telling you that I'm creating the backend resources I'm creating through CloudFormation templates. It has taken some time. I've been facing some issues while deploying the templates. Uh, so, as you all know, I'm completely vibe coding this mobile app. Uh, I did not intend to look into what is happening. I was not checking in the code what is happening. So today I was just going through the code for the backend, which is here written in TypeScript. I thought, okay, fine, I don't want to go with that JavaScript, which I usually do. So let's try out TypeScript. Okay. So this is the code which is there in the IDE where it feels completely normal here, but not a structured one. That is fine. But when I see the same resource in the Lambda after deployment, this is what I see in the code. First, I thought it is a formatting issue or something, but even after formatting document, nothing. How I'm really frustrated. I'm really annoyed for this because I did not check. I was completely trusting Cursor to do this. I believe Cursor would do a better one. I believe that Cursor can do better than me. Oh, is this error? I'm not sure. It is the same in all the lambdas, to be honest with. I did not expect that AI would ruin my code. I was completely trusting Cursor, and I believe that Cursor would do my job and it would make my life much more easier. To be honest with, I never gave a complete code base to any of the AI. I usually I do is that I take out a code snippet, a very small piece of the code, and I just ask the AI to give me suggestions of, or if any error, please try to identify what is the error and we'll fix it. And I'll just copy paste the same whatever responses are back to the original piece of code. So that's what I usually do. But I this is the first time I'm completely vibe coding, and I did not know that it could make such a mess as a backend developer, which I usually do with the CloudFormation template and AWS. I didn't expect this to happen here. I don't know why this is happening. The code looks fine here, and also other than that, usually for the CloudFormation template, I follow a structure which will have a main template and sub templates. But even though I have mentioned this for the cursor while creating the backend, it have created only one template file which includes all the resources, so which is not what I wanted, what I expected cursor to do. So this is very disappointing to me. I'm really frustrated. I don't know what to do. So I could say that the past 2 days efforts are not good. It's wasted, to be honest with. So for the backend, I will delete whatever cursor have done, and I'm going to code it manually by myself, making it much more simpler, I guess. So it would be easier for me to do this by myself, I guess. And I'll stick on to JavaScript so I could do it faster. I don't want to use any extra. I don't want to try something new. I'm going to stick on to whatever I'm good at. So what I will do is that inside the CloudFormation, inside the backend, I'll create sub templates. Outside there would be a main template, and for each resources, I'll create one folder like Lambda one folder, DynamoDB one folder, AppSync API one folder, Cognito one folder. So each of the templates are segregated, and each resource can be identified easily. That is one of the structure which I usually follow. I For the templates, I go by resource wise. For each resource I create a separate template, and there will be main template. So that is what I wanted to do. So I have to redo whatever has been done. Now I'm not sure about what the code for the UI looks like, because I never checked it. I was completely trusting on cursor to do it, and I don't know where to start here also. See, I think I will have to review the front end code with some expertise. I'm not sure how the Kotlin code must be written, so I will try to seek someone's help to review the code of the Kotlin. Whatever, I think we already made a mistake with Kotlin earlier. So we started with the native Kotlin, but what I required was the Kotlin multi-platform and Compose multi-platform. We already messed up once. This is the second mess up which I've done. I think vibe coding. I'm not sure. It will continue to vibe code again, because this is something AI journey. AI is taking all over the code, so I will also have to learn how to do it correctly. I don't know. I have made a mistake. Did I prompt anything wrong? Maybe I've made a mistake prompting. I've made a mistake in my prompt and it created like this. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm gonna rewrite the backend from scratch, and this time I'm gonna do it manually from my end. So no screw ups in the backend. I don't want any screw ups in the backend. I want to architect it better. The code must be simple, and we should, looking at the structure, we should identify what is there, and I'll make it much more simpler for this. So uh, I'll update you guys after changing the backend. Let me try to do it manually. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow.